Today, we will explore the different types of user inputs we can collect data from. First, we have the basic text input. You can write a hint in this box. Decide if you need math or handwriting input. The output of all inputs can then be fed to the AI or stored in labels. Next, we have the whiteboard input. This allows the user to draw on a canvas. You can select the size of the canvas. Typically, we describe what the user has drawn with this input. We can also ask the user to upload an image with the image input. This is often used with either a describe image node or simply display image to show what was uploaded. Lastly, we can take audio recordings with the speech input. This input is usually coupled with transcribing of speech, which will be covered in a future lesson. Join the future of education today. Ready to transform your educational approach? Visit www.learningflow.ai and sign up to access these groundbreaking tools.